Have you ever faced a problem when trying to copy only one section of an array in your Rust code and got a bit lost along the way? Well, let's dive into this interesting issue that might have left you scratching your head. Imagine you're working on your code and you encounter a situation where one of the methods returns a tuple with two generics instead of an array. Now, that's where the challenge begins. But worry not, because we're here to guide you through this tricky scenario. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem at hand. In Rust, tuples can be indexed by using a dot followed by their index. So in your case, the code snippet provided as a solution comes into play. By following this solution, you can effectively copy only one section of the array without getting tangled up in complexities. Just remember to utilize the tuple index, specifically 1, to access the desired section of the tuple. By understanding and implementing this approach, you can smoothly navigate through the process and accomplish your task seamlessly. Problem solved. In summary, we've explored a common problem encountered when trying to copy a specific section of an array in Rust. By embracing the solution highlighted here, you can overcome this challenge with ease and continue coding with confidence. Remember, understanding how to work with tuples and accessing their elements is a valuable skill in Rust development. We hope this explanation has shed light on the issue you faced and provided a clear path forward. Keep coding, stay curious, and until next time, happy coding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts or any coding adventures you've embarked on recently.